What's up, Crown Kicks community? Very excited about this video. If you're dropping by the channel for the first time, please like and subscribe to the video. Picked up that holiday release. Every year we know what this is. In December the 11th, Legendary Blues. Now, I believe this is my first Jordan 11 review that I've had with Crown Kicks. I got the designer paper in here. Let's jump right into the review. Please subscribe to the channel, support, please. I don't understand the box though, because we know that traditionally Jordan 11s do not come in these type of boxes. We got the size 11. These are my personal pair. And I got these off of eBay. I didn't get these in the store. But then there they are. Authenticated by eBay. See the icy blue sole. Got the 23 on the back. Got your white laces. Got your traditional Jordan Jumpman tag over the tongue. And then you got a Nike Air on the heel. Alright, I'm gonna give you guys my honest opinion on these things, man. Jumpman on the bottom. Got your carbon fiber and baby blue with black polka dots. If I had to give these a grade, I probably would give these like probably from a scale of 1 to 10, a 7. I'm not big on white shoes, you know, but these are a pair that I never had in my collection. I never had a pair of Legendary Blues. Also like the etches of black that they put in the top. These are clean, man. These are clean. And also, like with these, I don't think you could just wear these with anything. You have to have a specific outfit to wear these with, you know. But nonetheless, these are okay. You know, they're not something I would go crazy for. That's why I didn't double up on these. But there they are. Leave your opinions down below. Comments. Let me know what you think.